30th. We haven't been on the bike since the 22nd. And we had some addition to our family.
Yep.
Like 8. 8.
It wasn't me.
Daisy had 8 little puppies on Wednesday.
4 boys, 4 girls.
Yeah. Wednesday the 27th, I believe.
Yeah.
So we've been busy, and the weather hasn't been that great. Oh, should have went that way. It's a nice ride. But anyways, it's not supposed to rain. I don't know if I said it before, it rained for the last 4 days.
Yeah.
5 days or something, I don't know. Yesterday wasn't too bad. So we're up and about, getting some riding
time.
Foliage and wind therapy.
Yeah, you've been cooped up.
Stressful couple days for banana.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Okay, stay tuned because we don't know what we're doing. Keep watching and subscribe, like, leave a comment. We'll try to get some foliage for you because it's changing fast over here. I get about 69 degrees right now, so it's very mild. I'm in my t-shirt. And yeah, we got a little bit of foliage right here. Look at that. A couple miles from the house. This is Daisy and our new addition to our family. Yeah, hi Daisy. Happy mommy of 8 little puppies. See? They're all happy. Right, Daisy Duke? So, that's our Daisy. On the, what was it, Wednesday I think it was. She had 8 little puppies. So that was at 9:27. So we're busy, we haven't been riding much. And of course the weather's been sucky. So maybe we'll get out for a little ride and venture in today. Right, Daisy? We got some collars. We'll do short clips. Here we go. Da 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 da. This is, every day it gets a little better. A little bit of the fields, the corn is turning.
Yep, I'm gonna sell them.
Yeah. Very nice. Look at it, beautiful. Whoa, bumpy.
Yep, in a couple of weeks it's gonna be
Peak. They say the
full foliage.
second week of October. So between the first and second week of October, we'll be popping over here.
Yep.
There's a pretty tree. Wow. Nice. Sorry I wasn't talking. I was trying to pay attention to where I was going.
That's more important, I think.
I can't walk and chew gum at the same time. There's some pretties. Okay,
It's Purdy from Dr. Doolittle.
we're just heading back to There is a house. This is only going to be a short ride today anyways. We went to a store and we got all kinds of bargains.
Yeah.
Oh my.
I gotta give a shout out because I told the lady that we had spread the word, and now I forgot the name of the store.
Oh, I don't know.
It'll come to me, but anyway, it's on 36 or 6.
28.
Oh, it's on Route 28 in
I don't know.
Brookville.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, she kind of helps people.
Yeah.
All her stuff is donated, and she sells it really, really cheap.
And some stuff is really, really antique-ish.
Like shoes are 50 cents.
Coats are $2.
Right. And some of them are leather coats.
Yeah.
$2. All kinds of stuff. And she helps, like I said, helps the homeless out.
Yep.
Or if someone happens to have a fire in their house and they lose everything, she donates stuff to get them back on their feet.
Wow.
We'll get the name and I'll post it up there for you.
Yep.
Really, really nice place.
Apparently, she told me she's got 130,000 viewers on Facebook.
Wow.
And it was from one lady that posted it, and it just kept going on and on and on. And she's like, I don't really do Facebook. She's like, but she keeps telling me the numbers keep going up. I said, good for business.
Yep.
But like John said, when we get the name, we'll post it.
Okay. Absolutely. I packed up the bike. I got no more room in the bike.
And it only cost us $13.
That's $13. That's pretty though.
That is pretty.
Wow. I'm glad I kept the camera running.
Yep, me and my big mouth did a good shot.
Very, very picturesque. Woo.
Picturesque, exactly.
There's a pumpkin patch. House up on the hill. We're still following 949. Nice colors coming up. Beautiful colors to the right. Corn to the left. There we go. Woo.
That's a bright train.
Oh, there's one coming up on the left there. Red, red, red. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, we got the one at the edge of the road, but there's one further back. Bright red. Okay, this is a nice little area. I was going to slow down, but there's a car behind me. There's a cute yard coming up around here somewhere. And all kinds of little things. Neat.
Water wheels, and it's cute.
But I might be all washed up.
Yeah.
I got the right road, just the wrong area. But enjoy the road, the road and the view. I think I went with road and view together.
Yeah, snake. Yeah. Right around the bend.
I think this is where doe ran across in front of Bob and Amy right in this section here.
Yeah.
We'll have to compare. Well, oh, I thought that was it. We still got right here. We got a bridge. Check this out. I don't know if you can see the yard, but that was pretty cool. We found it.
Found it. Right around the bend.
Okay. Almost 28. We'll have to come the other way and get a better view
Yeah.
at a different date. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We might have 1 or 2 more little clips. So stay tuned. Yeah, because the foliage going back home. Very colorful. Very nice, nice. Favorite time of the year.
Yep. Here's that shop coming up.
Yeah, here's the shop we just talked about earlier.
It's called Hard Times.
Hard time.
Hard Times.
Wow. I hope everybody likes foliage because there's going to be a lot of that every time we go out.
Well, we had a fall foliage 22, didn't we?
Yeah. We're already working on this year. We have a couple of them. Wow. Wowie. All right.
All right.
Until the next one. I'll try not to take any more until we get home. But I don't guarantee anything.
No.
It's just so pretty. Home, sweet home. And we got foliage right in our backyard. Look at that.
I've been going out every day looking at that back tree.
Look at, even this one's changing from the last time we went out.
Yeah.
What a big difference. Mail's here.
Here's it.
Package.
Filters.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love